Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off App Store notifications for updates and offers or new features or recommendation on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, scroll down and tap on App Store. Next, tap on Notifications. Now we go down to the bottom and tap on App Store Notification Settings. Then here you can choose whether to turn on or turn off new features and updates notifications. And you can also choose whether to show or hide recommendations and offers from the App Store. And that's it. And then tap on Done. And at the top here, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.